today is on verbal reasoning type C, code word practice. Okay, so I have got some words on the board and I have got some codes on the board. So what I need to do is I need to match the code with the word. So we need to find the pattern first. And there is a relationship, as you can see. I have got trip, the code for trip is USJQ. Now I need to find the code for fall. Okay, and when I've got the code, if I need to find the word, so I need to do the other way around. So which means I do the opposite. So if I'm going forward, I'm coding them. If I'm going backwards, I'm decoding. So the code which I use here, I'm gonna decode it for me to find the word when I'm using the code. So on here, you have got a various ways of doing it. So I'm gonna teach you one of them. Okay. So if on here, because we have got a word and a word, so which means we need to find the code. Okay. So T to U. So you would use your alphabet and find your T and then you count to U. As you can see, T to U is +1. So you're just moving forward 1. So F, if I move, so I need the code for 4. Let's just write it here. Okay, so 4 is what? So F, the second letter after F, 1 forward, so that will be G. Okay, then we go to the next one, R to S. R to S, it's +1 again. So we're doing this one, the next one, which is R to S there. Okay, so I would use the same pattern as well, which is adding 1. So A, if we go forward 1, that will be B. Okay, then the next pattern will be I to J. Forward 1 again. So L, forward 1, that will be M. Okay, P to Q. Forward 1, so L. Forward 1, that will be M. Okay, so can you see? So the pattern we have used on there is the same pattern you are going to use there. So as you can see, we're doing forward 1 on all the letters. So the pattern changes all the time. We see when we do the next ones. Okay, so on that one, we have got the code. So which means we're going forward to get the code. So we are decoding, we're going backwards to find the word. So we were saying, all of the letters were saying 1 forward. So which means we are doing 1 backwards. So we're doing E, so we're doing this way now. So which means E, the letter before E is D. The letter before S is R. The letter before P is O. And the letter before Q is P. So your word will be drop. Okay? Let's try the next one. We have got road. The code is this one. So we need to find the code for lane. And like we said, when we have got the code, we decode, we go backwards. So let's write our lane here. Okay? So let's find the pattern. R to U. Okay, like what you did. R to U, we are doing 1, 2, 3 forward. So my L, I'm doing 3 forward. So that would be 1, 2, 3. That would be O. So my first letter will be O. The next one, O to R, O to R. 1, 2, 3 forward again. So A, 1, 2, 3. So that will be D. Then we do A to D. 1, 2, 3 forward. So N, 1, 2, 3. So that will be Q. So as you can see, the pattern is going 3 forward. So E, 3 forward, 1, 2, 3. So that will be H. Okay, so that will be the code for lane. Okay, now let's find the word. So which means we are decoding now. We are going backwards. Forward to find the code, backwards to find the word. So F, 3 backwards. 1, 2, 3. So that will be C. D, 3 backwards, 1, 2, 3, so that will be A. U, 3 backwards, 1, 2, 3, that will be R. And W, 3 backwards, 1, 2, 3, that will be T. So your word will be caught. Okay, now let's look at the next one. If the code for walk is that one, so we need to find the code for ride. Okay, so I need to find ride. and I will do decode for me to find the word when I'm given the code. Okay, so W to X. So W to X is 1 forward. So R on the alphabet, 1 forward would be S. Okay, then A to C. A to C is now 2 forward. So I need 2 forward. 1, 2, that would be K. Then the last third letter, L to O. L to O, that's 1, 2, 3 forward. So D, 3 forward, 1, 2, 3. So that would be G. Then the last one, which is K to O. K to O is 1, 2, 3, 4 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 forward. So E, 4 forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be I. So can you see this pattern was +1, +2, +3, +4. So the pattern changes. So this tells you what you need to do. So that was the code for right. Now I need you to decode. So can you see we did +1, +2, +3, +4. So I'm going backwards the same thing. So T backwards 1 is S. Y backwards 2, that would be W. L backwards 3 now. 1. L backwards 3, 1, 2, 3, so that would be I. And Q backwards 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, M. So the word would be swim. Okay, as usual, we have got work to practice on this coding and decoding when you are given codes and words. Practice that so that you know you've understood what you've learned, and send in your work for marking and feedback. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.